In today's video, I will be doing a midweek market recap on the NAS 100 futures market. Let's get into it. On Sunday's video, the weekly trading forecast for NQ futures, I explained that a short divergence was being created on the weekly and daily timeline. As we can see this week, that the divergence has slowly started to play out. On Tuesday, we had a long day, but if we pay attention to where the market was heading, it started to give out signals that the divergence was starting to play out. Today, on Wednesday, that divergence really played out, as today was more of a short day. You had a couple of long signals, but mainly today was a short day. Here, I have the daily, which is the right hand side of the screen, the right chart, and the weekly, which is the left hand side of the screen, the left chart. You can see that the daily price shut down below the bright green moving average, and it held above the light green moving average, meaning that this zone from the bright green moving average into the light green moving average holds strong support levels. As you can see, it retraced back up and closed above the bright green moving average for the day. And this shows that price in the middle of the day bounced around the bright green moving average, went down below into support, and bounced back off, retraced from the support level. So this same support level that price went into is the same level that price went into on the weekly for the fast moving averages on the pink and the blue, and a little bit below the blue fast moving average lines. So on the daily, price found its zone between these two moving averages, bounced back up, and on the weekly, price found its zone at that, like below the blue fast moving averages, and retraced all the way back up. And we can see at the end of the day, price held above the bright green moving average, and on the weekly, price is holding on the same level as the pink fast moving average. And if we take a look at the oscillators, we see that on the daily we have a higher high but a lower high on the oscillators, and then we saw this big dip down, and we saw it retrace all the way back up, but the retracement had very little energy. That's why you see these doji star candlesticks, and then all of a sudden price just dipped down again. But the fact that, like I said before, that price held in this area and retraced, same here on the week, held in this area and retraced, means that this level has strong support. And same thing with the weekly. If you look at the weekly chart, we have a higher high but a lower high on the oscillator, meaning that a divergence will probably start to play out. But keep in mind that we have strong levels of support holding the weekly and daily chart. We can see that there's a lot of air in this area. Well, not so much a lot of air, but there is some air, meaning that if price does break below this support line, it could come back down into this support line and bounce right back off of it. So, just beware of the divergence for the rest of this week. Beware of the support level for the rest of this week. Have good risk management. And this was a short midweek recap just to keep everyone up to date. And we will see how this week ends. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.